All right, so in this problem, we're going to try to simplify the expression here. Now, the first thing I notice is that here we are square rooting 16x squared. That's actually pretty easy to do because the square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of x squared is just x. And then I'm just going to move this x to the power of 2/3 down here. Now, let's try to simplify this a little bit further. Now, although there's no exponent written for this x, it does have an exponent of 1. We just don't write it. Now, remember your exponent law is that when we're multiplying two powers with the same base, we can combine them by adding their exponents. So if we add 1 plus 2/3, well, that's the same thing as 3/3 plus 2/3. I'm just trying to do this because we need a common denominator to add fractions. We would get a new exponent of 5/3. Great. Now, it looks like, based on our potential answers, we need to rewrite this back in radical form. So I'm going to leave the 4 alone, and then x, in radical form, we're going to put the 5 inside here with an index of 3. Okay, now let's take a look at the other section here. We've got the third root of 8x to the power 5. Well, first of all, the third root of 8 is 2. I know that because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So we can take that out of the radical, and then we'd be left with the third root of x to the power 5. Well, if I move this down, you'll notice that we can combine these terms together because they both have the third root of x to the power 5. So if we have 4 of them plus 2 more of them, we get a total of 6 multiplied by the third root of x to the power 5. So that would be the simplified version of the expression, which matches option number 2. All right, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.